Okay, it's November 21st, 2025, and this video is to help troubleshoot problems with Dragon's Lair 2 and Dexter. So right now I'm loading Dexter with the Dragon's Lair 2 image, but I just want to show what the Dragon's Lair 2 board will do even if Dexter's not plugged in. So I'm going to power it on. The first thing you're going to notice is these lights are going to turn on. Then after like a few seconds it's going to make some beeps. Okay, that's as far as it gets if there's no laserdisc player plugged in to this serial port. So after Dexter finishes loading, I'm going to show what it does when the laserdisc player is plugged in. Okay, and now I'm going to show the boot process with Dexter plugged in. And sorry for the cables and boards getting in the way of the camera, but you can see that Dexter is set to LDP 1450. We've got a DB25 serial cable plugged in to Dexter. It's also plugged in down here to a null modem adapter before it goes into Dragon's Lair 2. It's very important that the serial cable is plugged into a null modem adapter because a straight connection won't work. You can also use a null modem cable. I believe Dragon's Lair 2 comes with one of these. Not this one, I made this one myself, but Dragon's Lair 2 comes with one that came with the original game. So now I'm going to power on and show you what it looks like when laser player is plugged in.
Dragon's Lair. Time warp.
Kidnapped? Oh, Daddy!
Idiots! Spirited away to a wrinkle in time by the evil wizard Mordroc. Daphne will be forced to marry the wicked Mordroc unless Dirk can save her.
I'm definitely kidnapped! Mommy's gone.
Transported by a bumbling old time machine, Dirk begins the rescue mission.
Mine!
Do it for the children. Once the casket of doom has opened, Mordroc will place the death ring upon Daphne's finger in marriage, and she will be lost forever. In the Time Warp.
Yeah, so then it just loops again with the sound turned off. So hopefully, if your game's not working, this will give you something to compare against so you can see what it's supposed to do when it's working. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.